Hello, kids. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is your Learning Lab online school, and I am your teacher, Sabeen Asad. This is your sixth lesson, and it is about your sound. Say with me, all of you. Can you hear sound in plane? Yes, it is just look like the sound of plane. What is the sound of plane? Mm. Mm. Very good. Say with me. Mm. Now, let's see what is the action for that sound. Pretend to be a plane with your arms out like wings and say, mm. Mm. Pretend that you are a plane. Like this, like that boy is doing. Pretend to be a plane with your arms out like wings and say, mm. Very nice, kids. Now we have some vocabulary words. Let's say them with me. First of all, we have a net. 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 Then nest. Necklace. Nurse. Nose. Nuts. Newspaper. Nine. Nail. Let's repeat them. Net. Nest. Necklace. Nurse. Nose. Nuts. Newspaper. Nine. Nail. Very nice, kids. Now let's see what is next. We have our story boxes. Nina the nurse. Can you see Nina the nurse? Nina is a nurse. She likes to wear necklace. She has came to the jeweler's shop to buy a necklace. Will you help Nina choose a necklace having first sound of her name? What is the first sound of her name? Nina. Yes, is the first sound of her name. She want to buy a necklace having on it. Can you find it? Yes, here it is. Thank you so much, kids, to help that Nina. Nina the nurse. Now this is your formation space. Let's practice its formation. This is your ninja. Start from his head, go down, then back and a hop. Start from dot 1, go down, then up, then a hop. Now let's revise our previous sounds. A nightingale lives in a pink and indigo house near smiling apple tree. Can you see a nightingale? Yes, here she is. Here is a nightingale. And nightingale lives in a pink and indigo house near smiling apple tree. These are your activities. You can make some ninjas with the help of popsicle sticks. And you can make a paper nightingale. These are very interesting activities. You can do these activities and you can show them to me. You can send their pictures to me. This is your portfolio time. You can make with the help of paper. You can decorate it as ninja or as nightingale, and if you want, you can decorate it as a knight. Add these activities in your portfolio. Now let's write on our activity sheet. Start from dot 1, go down, then a hop. You can color that nest. Nest. Now let's write here. Mm. Mm. This is your sound. Mm. Thank you so much, kids. Take care. Bye.